Hi! Welcome back to my channel, guys, and thank you so much for being here. And if you are new, what is up? My name is Lynn. What you saying? Anyway, so today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how I managed to get rid of my acne. Oh my god, if you followed me on Instagram for a really long time, if you are an OG dumpling, then you know I battled with acne, and it's only been like the past year and a half that I managed to clear up my skin. And I have had acne for about 10 years, guys, so it was a marathon, but I managed to get there. And yeah, so I'm gonna share with you guys my tips and tricks on how to get rid of acne. Just want to let you guys know that I am wearing zero makeup on my skin, so what you see is literally what you get. I am wearing eyebrows and a little bit of lashes and a little bit of purple eyeshadow to go with my jumper, because you know I wanted to look a little bit pretty for you guys. But anyway, let's talk about how to get rid of acne. So the first tip in getting rid of acne is that make sure you take your makeup off every single night properly. If you use baby wipes to take off your makeup, please stop. It will ruin your skin in the future. That's what happened to me. I used to use baby wipes all the time in order to like take off my makeup, but then I realized it was the worst thing to do, because that's when I started to get congestion on my skin. Oh my gosh, guys, it was the worst. I wish someone stops me from using baby wipe when it comes to taking off my makeup. What you want to use is that you want to use proper like cleansing wipes, proper like makeup facial wipes. Like Tarte's got a really good one for the eyes as well. If you have troubles like taking off your eye makeup, make sure you take your eye makeup off properly as well, otherwise you'll get an eye infection or blepharitis in the future. You don't want that. You want to make sure that your skin is deeply cleansed, and so is your eyes as well. So yeah, my favorite one out of all the wipes is definitely the TZone charcoal and bamboo cleansing wipes. It is so good. I can really feel the makeup coming off my skin, and it leaves like a really nice tingly fresh sensation. And these are cheap as well because it's TZone, so make sure you stock up on these. They are so lovely and they're very gentle to the skin as well. It's also nice to use these wipes just before you apply your makeup, because if you have oily skin like me, if you just go ahead and just wipe your skin down with a wipe like this, it will like freshen up your skin, you know. So that is my first tip. Make sure you use a proper makeup wipe, because if you don't, if you use baby wipes, honey, your skin is holding in all that makeup and pollution, and it's just not healthy for the skin. If you don't like using wipes to take off your makeup, then at least use a cleansing balm. My favorite one of all time is the Elemis Pro Collagen cleansing balm. This is so good and it smells so expensive. Oh my god, I wish you guys could smell this through my screen. Like, it smells so good and it really helps get rid of all the makeup. And what's so good about this is that it's hydrating as well. And even though I got oily skin, my skin is technically kind of hydrated, my skin still dries up sometimes, so it's really good to have something like this in the bathroom if you don't want to use wipes. Okay, so now that you understand the importance of taking off your makeup, the next step is cleansing. It is so important to cleanse your skin every single day, especially if you wear makeup and if you have acne and congested skin. So important. And the reason why you want to double cleanse instead of single cleanse is because double cleansing is going to really help dig deep into the skin and really cleanse the pores and get all that crap out of your skin. I live in London, so London is super polluted, and every time I go into central London where the tube stations are and everything, I always come home with a spot. That's how dirty London is, and that's why it's so important to double cleanse your skin, because after you double cleanse your skin and you stick to that double cleansing routine for at least like a few months or to a year, you will see a major difference within your skin. So the cleansers that I love using is the Glamglow Supercleanse. So this is like the little baby version to the Super Mud Mask, and this is really nice and strong, but it's also gentle as well. And what I mean by strong is that you can feel it working on your skin. Like, you can feel the tingling sensation, you can feel everything getting like deeply cleansed from the pore within. I love this. I've been using it non-stop for the past 6 months, and it's definitely worth the money as well, because I know Glamglow is a little bit expensive, but I definitely recommend in checking this out. My favorite cleanser is a Korean skincare brand called Alba. Now this is pH 5.5. I can't remember what pH means, but it's something along the lines of, if it's below the pH level then it's fine, you can use it. If it's above, then it's bad for your skin, something like that. I don't know, so please someone in the comment section correct me and educate everyone about what pH means. All I know is that my friend who gave this to me, she represents them, she said that this is very good at clearing up your skin, and she was right. She was right. And I've been using it non-stop, and the reason why I use this the most out of all my cleansers because it's so gentle and there's like no like harsh fragrance, there's no alcohol or anything like that in there. It's so lovely. I absolutely love this product. Another cleanser that I personally recommend is, now you don't have to get these cleansers, as long as you get a cleanser that's got salicylic in it and AHA in it, you're good to go, because what those two ingredients does is that it helps gently exfoliate the skin. So if you use a lot of products with salicylic and AHA, your skin will eventually like renew itself and start getting clearer, and your skin will start getting glowy as well, because it's gently exfoliating the skin without using actual like exfoliators with those like grains in it. Another cleanser that I use is the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. This has 1.5% salicylic acid in it. You do like feel a difference within your skin after using it after a few months. So yeah, as long as you get a cleanser that's got salicylic acid, AHA, you're good to go. Toner. Oh my gosh, guys. Toner is so important. I can't explain to you how important toning is when it comes to skincare. I like to tone my skin 2 to 3 times a day, and I've noticed a massive difference within my skin since I've started toning a lot more. So I like to use the Elemis Lavender toner. I think I rave about this pretty much all the time on my Instagram stories. It's my favorite toner and it's pretty much empty now. That's how you know I love it. What lavender does is that it helps heal the skin. So if you have acne and you're trying to get rid of it, you want to use products that also help heal the skin and helps protect the layer of the skin as well. And lavender is one of those good ingredients that helps protect the skin. So definitely look into products that's got lavender in it. Make sure you get a toner that's alcohol free. I used to use toners with so much alcohol in it, and that it actually broke my skin out more. So definitely recommend in looking at toners that's got 0 alcohol in it. I have another really good toner that's super gentle. This would be amazing for people with sensitive skin. It's the Kiehl's Calendula Herbal Extract Toner, and it doesn't really smell of anything, and it looks weird because it's like yellow and there's like little flowers in there as well. But this is a super gentle toner. So yeah, make sure you tone your skin. Tone in the morning, just once in the morning, and then just before bed, especially if you wear a lot of makeup like I do. Make sure you tone twice. So get a cotton pad, put the toner on the cotton pad, and like just go over your skin once and then go over it again after you cleanse. The next tip that I personally recommend in doing, now I know it's going to be hard for some people, but you just got to trust me on this, and you just got to be confident, and you just got to not give like 2 fucks what people say. Do not wear makeup every single day. If you feel like you have to wear makeup every single day, then maybe change up your foundation and concealer routine. Maybe opt to something that's a little bit more lighter, like a BB foundation. Make sure you use a lighter foundation so your skin can breathe, so your skin can just be like, ah, no foundation on my skin, I can finally heal. You know what I mean? I personally don't wear makeup every single day. I've definitely seen a difference within my skin when I don't wear makeup every single day. The next thing that I want to talk to you guys about in helping get rid of your acne and congestion is make sure you wear a really good serum. Kiehl's by far, hands down, does the best serums. I love this one. This is the Nightly Refining Micro Peel Concentrate Serum. So you only wear this at nighttime. Now what this does is that it exfoliates your skin, so it helps get rid of all that bacteria and pollution that's like deep within your skin, and it will help renew your skin as well. And you do feel a teeny bit of tingling sensation, but only in certain areas. Within like 10 seconds it goes away. It's a really good serum. I've been using this for the past 3 months. It is quite expensive, but it's so worth the money, and I have seen a difference within my skin once I started using this. You gotta make sure that when you use this, make sure you're careful with what night cream you use, because sometimes when you put this on and you put a night cream on, it goes all weird. Like I can't explain it. It goes all like peely or something. So make sure you find the right night cream that goes with this. Another serum that I keep on raving about, and it's so expensive, but it's definitely worth every penny, and I cried when I bought this, but after a year of using it, I'm just like, I'm happy to spend £80 on a serum again. This is the Kiehl's Clearly Corrected Dark Spot Solution. This is so freaking good at fading scars. Now I'm gonna do another topic about how to fade acne scars, because that's another video, okay? So I just want to drop this in here that this is really, really good at fading acne scars. It feels like water. It feels like nothing is gonna happen. But once you use this for 3 to 4 weeks straight, you will see a mild difference. I've been using this pretty much almost every day, not every single day because it's really expensive and I'm trying to save this up. But I've been using it a lot for the past year, and it's definitely made a huge difference to my skin. Like my skin is so much more like clearer. I don't have that much acne scars. So yeah, these 2 serums I highly recommend in checking out. Make sure you moisturize, guys. It's so important to moisturize your skin. When I had acne, I was so scared of using moisturizer because I felt like it was just gonna give me more acne, because it's moisturizer, you know, it's quite thick, it's quite heavy, but moisturizing your skin is the best way to help heal the process of your acne. I love using moisturizers that has like no smell. So I love using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I've been using this for the past few months now and I love it. It just really helps hydrate my skin instantly. Like I can feel the moisturizer soaking into my skin rather than staying on the top layer of my skin. I also highly recommend in wearing SPF. If you have really bad acne, make sure you wear SPF 50 plus. Now, if you're Asian or if you have dark skin, make sure you wear SPF all the time. No matter what country you're in, no matter if it's raining outside, there is still sun out there, okay guys? The reason why you want to wear SPF on a daily basis is because SPF will help protect your skin from, especially the spots, from going darker. Now for my skin, the reason why I had so much dermapen facials is to help get rid of those brown spots, those acne scars. So what happened is that when you have a spot and you go out in the sun will darken the spot, and then once that spot fades, it leaves an acne scar. It's got something to do with our skin because we've got lots of melanina, whatever it's called. So yeah, make sure you wear SPF. My favorite one is the La Roche Posay. You don't need a lot, a little goes a long way, like half a pea size. In terms of spot treatment creams or spot treatment gels, I personally use anything that's like got Benzoyl Peroxide. Like I use the 5% one. I'm gonna do another topic on spot treatment creams and spot treatment gels because I just feel like that's again another topic to talk about, and there's so much detail to talk about spot treatment gels and creams. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. The last thing I want to talk to you guys about is make sure you figure out what it is that is making you break out. Is it because you're wearing too much makeup and you're not taking it off at night? Because that was me. Is it because you're allergic to something? Are you allergic to dairy? Are you allergic to gluten? Are you allergic to, I don't know, maybe like a certain detergent that you use on your pillows and on your clothes, and when your skin touches it, your skin flares up? Whatever it is, make sure you try figure out what it is. Once I found out that the reason why I had acne was because I didn't take off my makeup, that's when I started to invest in a lot of time in doing facials. So yeah, every single night I spend at least 20 to half an hour taking off my makeup properly, and it's made such a huge difference. I've never taken raw Accutane, I've never taken Accutane, whatever you want to call it. I've never taken anything consume in order to get rid of my acne. Everything I use is external, and the reason why I didn't want to take raw Accutane is because I just didn't want to. I mean, have you seen how big those pills are? They're like massive M&Ms, and I'm just like, no, I can't do that. So that is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being here. I am going to be doing so much more skincare videos on my channel because I know my journey has definitely reached out to a lot of people on Instagram. So many people have reached out to me and be like, Ling, how did you get rid of your acne? And I'm just like, right, I need to do a YouTube video. Definitely stay tuned because I got so much knowledge to share with you guys, even though I don't have a PhD or anything in skincare. I just know, just for experimenting and doing my own research and just figuring out what's good, what's not good. And I'm in the position where I'm able to reach out to brands and talk to the brands directly about the ingredients they use in their product. I would love it if you guys would let me know what your favorite skincare products to use in the comment section. I really want to know, and I always make time to reply and read your comments because it just means a lot to me when someone watches my videos and comment, because it just really means a lot to me because I work so hard on my YouTube, and to see people respond, just yeah, it just means a lot to me. Today's shout out goes to Makeup by Some. Thank you so much for tagging me in all your looks and for supporting me. So I'm out here supporting you girls. Make sure you guys follow her, show her lots of love, spam her, and yeah, let her know that I sent you. If you guys want to shout out in my next video, all you gotta do is just follow me on Instagram and just tag me, and you could be in the next shout out in my next video. Just want to let you guys know that every Wednesday and Sunday I upload a video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button as well. And if there's any videos that you want me to film, or if there's anything you want me to like research on or talk about, please let me know. I'll definitely put it on my to-do list. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye. Get rid of. Oh my god, I can't talk. So my first tip in getting rid of acne is that make sure you cleanse and clean. So the first tip in getting rid of acne